I'll be sharing with you how you can import data from an Excel sheet into your SQL Server database. Now the first thing that you want to do is install the Microsoft ACE OLEDB driver. Now to check if this is installed, you can execute the SPENUM OLEDB _ providers procedures. And the result will look like this, right? If it's installed, it will tell you which version is installed. If it's not, you can head over to Microsoft and download the Microsoft Access Database Engine Redistributable, right? Once you download and install it, by the way, you want to ensure the 64-bit. You can go ahead with your import. Otherwise, you'll get errors when you're importing it. So you want to right click on the database that you want to import, then select task, select import data. Then for the destination, you want to ensure that you scroll down and select Microsoft OLEDB provider for SQL Server. Here you specify your server name. I'm on a named instance, so I'm going to put /demo. And then from the drop down, you select your database. I'll be using my demo database. Then select next. Now this option will copy all the data that is in your Excel sheet. This option allows you to write a specific query to copy specific data. So I'll be using the first option to copy all the data that is in my spreadsheet. Then select next. Now here you just need to specify the name of your table. So I'm going to call this import. If you don't specify the name, it will keep the name of the default spreadsheet, right? Which is sheet 1. That's what the data is on. Then select next. And then here I'm just going to select finish to run the package immediately. 847 rows transferred. Now let's select close. Let's refresh our database. Expand tables. And now let's check the imported table. This is the data that was imported, and this is the Excel sheet that I imported my data from. For more training, you can check out my Udemy courses. The link is in the description of this video.